Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Soundcore Q20i with the Edifier W820NB. So with the Q20i you have a USB-C charging port, and that's the same thing that you are going to have with the Edifier. Also on the ANC on you have 29 hours and here you have 40 hours, so Q20i is better in that regard. ANC off is going to 49 hours and here you can have 60 hours. So even regards the playtime, it's better for the Q20i. Then you're gonna have, when we're gonna look on further, you're gonna have ambient sound mode, game mode, voice call, Bluetooth V5. Here also you have Bluetooth Wi-Fi, and you're gonna have a high-res bass up, and you're gonna have a customized EQ. On both of these, you are going to have option to use the application. I can reselect which one is better regards the app. So I just want to make you this like a really quick video, and then I'm just going to look here for the fast charging. That's something I didn't find for Edifier, but that's something I found for Q20i. For 5 minutes, you can have 4 hours. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.